हाय दोस्तों, स्वागत है आपका अपने इस यूट्यूब चैनल पर वन एंड ओनली फार्मेसी। फ्रेंड, आज हम इस वीडियो में देखने जा रहे हैं फार्मास्यूटिक्स सेकंड की ऑल डेफिनेशंस। सो फ्रेंड्स, इस वीडियो को लास्ट तक देखें। फर्स्ट डेफिनेशन, प्रिस्क्रिप्शन। प्रिस्क्रिप्शन is a written order from a registered medical practitioner or other properly licensed practitioner such as dentist, veterinarian, etc. to a pharmacist to compound and dispense a specific medication for the patient. Incompatibility. Incompatibility occurs as a result of mixing of two or more antagonistic substances and an undesirable product is formed, which may affect the safety, efficacy, and appearance of the pharmaceutical operations. Posology. The word posology is derived from two Greek words, posos meaning how much and logos meaning science. So, posology is a branch of medical science which deals with dose or quantity of drugs which can be administered to a patient to get the desired pharmacological actions. Fourth definition, powder. A pharmaceutical powder is a mixture of finely divided drug and or chemicals in dry form. These are solid dosage form of medicament which are meant for internal and external use. Dusting powder. These are meant for external application to the skin and are generally applied in a very fine state of subdivision to avoid local irritation. Hence, dusting powder should be passed through sieve number 80 to enhance their effectiveness. Dentifrices. These are applied with the help of a toothbrush for cleaning the surface of the teeth. They contain a suitable detergent or soap, some abrasive substances and a suitable flavor. Simple powder. A simple powder contains only one ingredient, either in crystalline or amorphous form. Insufflations. These are medicated dusting powders meant for introduction into the body cavities such as nose, throat, ears, and vagina with the help of an apparatus known as insufflator. Snuffs. These are finely divided solid dosage form of medicament which are inhaled into nostrils for its antiseptic, bronchodilator, and decongestion action. Potent drugs. The substance having a maximum dose of less than 1 grain that means 60 mg, and poisonous substances are regarded as the potent drugs. फ्रेंड्स, आप मेरे साथ इस डेफिनेशंस को पढ़ते रहिए. स्नप्स. Monophasic liquid dosage form. Monophasic liquid dosage form refers to liquid preparations in which there is only one phase. Mixture. A mixture is a liquid preparation meant for oral administration in which medicament are dissolved or suspended in a suitable vehicle. Syrups. A syrup is a concentrated or nearly saturated solution of sucrose in purified water. Elixir. Elixir are clear, sweet, aromatic, hydroalcoholic liquids intended for oral use. Linctus. Linctuses are viscous, liquid, and oral preparations that are generally prescribed for the relief of cough. लिंक्टस जो होते हैं वो जनरली कफ के लिए यूज करते हैं. और इलिक्सर में हाइड्रोअल्कोहलिक का मात्रा ज़्यादा होता है. मिक्सचर में ड्रग को डिजोल्व करते रहते हैं. लिनीमेंट्स. Liniments are liquid or semi-solid preparations meant for application to the skin. Lotion. Lotions are liquid preparations meant for external application without friction. Gargles. Gargles are aqueous solutions used to prevent or treat throat infections. Mouthwashes. There are aqueous solutions with a pleasant taste and odor used to make clean deodorize the buccal cavity. Throat paints. These are viscous liquid preparations used for mouth and throat paints. Duche. A duche is a medicated solution meant for rinsing a body cavity. The word duche is often used for vaginal solutions. लोशन जो होते हैं वो विदाउट फ्रिक्शन के अप्लाई किए जाते हैं और लिनीमेंट्स होते हैं उनको रबिंग किया जाता है बॉडी पार्ट्स पर. 21 हो गई है। 22. Airdrops. These are solutions of drops that are instilled into the air with a dropper. The solution is generally prepared in water, glycerin, propylene glycol. Nasal drops. These are aqueous solutions of drops that are instilled into the nose with a dropper. Nasal spray, which are used to reduce nasal congestion and to treat infections. Suspensions. Suspensions are the biphasic liquid dosage form of medicament in which the finely divided solid particle ranging from 0.5 to 5 micron are dispersed in a liquid or semi-solid vehicle. सस्पेंशन में दो प्रकार के प्रोडक्ट यूज किए जाते हैं। नेजल स्प्रे नेजल कंजेशन के लिए यूज किया जाता है। एयर ड्रॉप्स। Emulsion. An emulsion is a biphasic liquid preparation containing two immiscible liquids, one of which is dispersed as a minute globules into other. Cracking. Cracking means the separation of two layers of dispense and continuous phase due to the coalescence of dispersed phase globules, which are difficult to redisperse by shaking. Creaming. It is defined as the upward movement of dispersed globules to form a thick layer at the surface of the emulsion. Phase inversion. It means the change of one type of emulsion into other type. That means oil in water is in water in oil, or water in oil is oil in water. क्रैकिंग में दो सेपरेशन होते हैं, डिस्पर्स एंड कंटिन्यूस फेज के। इमल्शन, क्रैकिंग, क्रीमिंग, फेज इन्वर्जन। HLB means hydrophilic lipophilic balance. Griffin devised a useful method for calculating balance mixtures of emulsifying agents to provide a particular type of emulsion. It is called the hydrophile lipophile balance. Ointments. Ointments are semi-solid preparations meant for external application to the skin or mucous membrane. They usually contain medicament or medicaments dissolved, suspended, or emulsified in an ointment base. Ointment base. The ointment base is that substance or part of an ointment which serves as a carrier or vehicle for the medicament. Paste. Paste are semi-solid preparations intended for external application to the skin. Paste are generally very thick and tough. ऑइंटमेंट बेस को दूसरी लैंग्वेज में व्हीकल भी कहा जाता है। ऑइंटमेंट्स में ज़्यादा जेलीज। Jellies are transparent or translucent non-greasy semi-solid preparations meant for external application to the skin or mucous membrane. Poultices. Poultices are soft, viscous, wet masses of solid substances applied to provide relief from pain or reduce inflammation or to act as a counter irritant. Suppositories. Suppositories are solid dosage form of medicament for insertion into the body cavities other than mouth. Especially suppositories are used in vagina. Jellies, poultices, suppositories. Jellies are transparent or translucent, non-greasy, semi-solid preparations meant for external application to the skin or mucous membrane. Displacement value. It is defined as the quantity of the drug which displaces one part of the base. Pessaries. They are meant for introduction into the vagina. They are larger than rectal suppositories and vary in weight from 4 to 8 gram or more. Cosmetic. Cosmetic is defined as an item intended to be rubbed, poured, sprinkled, or spray or introduced into or otherwise applied to the human body or any part, therefore cleansing, protecting, beautifying, promoting attractiveness, or altering the appearance. Dentifrices. Dentifrices are the preparations meant to be applied to the teeth with a toothbrush for the purpose of cleaning the accessible surface of the earth, uh, surface of the teeth. Displacement value. It is defined as the quantity of the drug which displaces one part of the base. Facial cosmetics. These are used for cleansing, refreshing, and nourishing effects. They are available in the form of solid, liquid, and semi-solid. Face powder. Face powder is a cosmetic preparation meant for improvement of overall attractiveness of the face. Compact face powder. It is a dry powder which has been compressed to form cake and is usually applied with powder puff. Rouges. Rouges are the cosmetics preparations which are applied in the cheeks for enhancing the face beauty. Facial cosmetics. These are used for cleansing, refreshing, and nourishing effects. They are available in the form of solid, liquid, and semi-solid. Face powder. Face powder is a cosmetic preparation meant for improvement of the overall attractiveness of the face. Compact face powder. 45. Cold creams. Cold creams is an emulsion which when apply both the skin, a cooling effect is produced due to slow evaporation of water present in the emulsion. Cleansing creams. Cleansing creams are used to remove facial makeup. Vanishing creams. These are oil in water type emulsion which when applied to the skin leave an almost invisible lay on it. Foundation creams. These are designed to be applied to the face after cleansing to provide a smooth emollient base for application, not facial makeup. Cleansing creams. Cleansing creams are used to remove facial makeup. क्लींजिंग क्रीम जो फेशियल मेकअप रिमूव करने के लिए यूज किया जाता है. फाउंडेशन क्रीम्स. वैनिशिंग क्रीम्स. These are oil in water type of emulsion. 49. Moisturizing creams. These creams are designed to be left on the skin for several hours. Eyeshadow. These are the preparations meant to produce an attractive moist looking background of color of the eyes. Eyebrow pencil. Eyebrow pencils are hard crayons which are used for darkening the eyebrows. Mascara. Mascara is a black pigmented preparation for application to the eyelashes or eyebrow to beautify the eyes. Moisturizing creams. These creams are designed to be left on skin for several hours. Eyeshadow. These are the preparations meant to produce an attractive moist looking background of color of eyes. Eyebrow pencil. Eyebrow pencils are hard crayons which used for darkening the eyebrows. Mascara is a black pigmented preparation. Lipsticks. Lipsticks is the most widely used cosmetic item by the women to give an attractive color and appearance to the lips. Bleaches. These are agents which light the skin color used for makeup. Shaving media. Shaving media are used to remove unsightly hair, particularly from men's faces. Antiperspirant. Antiperspirant inhibit the flow of perspiration. Deodorant. Deodorants inhibit the formation of bad odor in perspiration by suppressing the growth of bacteria or mask the unpleasant odor. Bleaches. These are agents which light the skin color used for makeup. Shaving media. Shaving media are used to remove unsightly hair, particularly from men's faces. Antiperspirants inhibit the flow of perspiration. Shampoo. Shampoo may be defined as a preparation containing surface active agents which are used to remove dirt, grease and debris from the hair, scalp and other parts of body without affecting the natural gloss of hair. Hair dyes. Hair dyes are used to change the natural color of the hair. Epilation. Epilation means the uprooting of intact hair mechanically by plucking or embedding in adherent material such as wax, resin, etc. It is a painful process and may cause skin damage. Epilation means the uprooting of intact hair mechanically by plucking or embedding in adherent material such as wax, resin, etc. It is painful process and may cause skin damage. Hair dyes are used to change the natural color of the hair. Shampoo. Depilation. When the hair removed by chemical methods without injury to the skin is known as depilation. Electrolysis. The method involves the inserting of needle into the hair follicle and hair root is completely destroyed by means of weak DC current. Parenteral. Parenteral preparations are those pharmaceutical products that are given by other than oral routes. Injections. Injections are the sterile solutions or suspensions of drugs in aqueous or oily vehicle meant for introduction into the body by means of an injectable needles under through one or more layers of the skin or mucous membrane. Parenteral. Para means other than and enterals mean intestine. Other than intestine. Parenteral preparations are the other than intestine. Electrolysis, depilation. Pyrogen. Pyrogens are byproducts of bacterial metabolism. Pyrogens are byproduct of bacterial metabolism. Pyrogens are polysaccharide, thermostable, soluble in water, unaffected by bactericide, and can pass through bacteria-proof filters. TPN. TPNs means total parenteral nutrition. IV administration of calories, nitrogen, and other nutrients in sufficient quantity to produce tissue synthesis and anabolism is called parenteral nutrition. Particulate matter. It is defined as unwanted mobile, insoluble matter other than gas bubbles present in given product. Ophthalmic products. These are sterile products meant for installation into the eye, in the space between the eyelids and the eyeballs. TPN means total parenteral nutrition. Eye drops. These are sterile aqueous or oily solutions or suspensions of drugs that are instilled into the eye with a dropper. They usually contain drugs having antiseptic, anesthetic, anti-inflammatory or myotic properties. Eye lotions. These are sterile aqueous solutions used for washing of the eyes. Eye ointments. Eye ointments bear sterile preparations meant for application to the eye. These are prepared under specific conditions and packed in sterile collapsible tubes, which keep the preparation sterile until whole of it is consumed. Eye suspensions, which are not commonly used as compared to eye drops. They are prepared only on those cases prepared only on those cases when the drug is insoluble in the desired vehicle or unstable in liquid form.